All right, welcome to 2.4 Crook Problem video. This video we're going to explain how we would solve problems where we've got parallel lines and then some kind of segment or angle that is made between the two. Okay, so we're going to start off with this problem. We've got angle 54, this angle is 48. We've got two parallel lines. Here's the process for solving these. What we're going to do is we're going to draw a parallel line, a third parallel line that goes in between the two that we have here. Okay, so let's see here. Let's go. All right, so we got a third parallel line here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use that third parallel line and some angle pairs to find the missing pieces of angle 1 and then add them together. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at just the top and the middle parallel line, and I see I've got a 54-degree angle here. Well, I know that this angle here is an alternate interior angle with angle 54, meaning it's congruent. So we have two 54-degree angles, one here and one here. Well, I just found the top part of angle 1. To find the bottom part, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go down to the bottom side, or the bottom line and the middle line, make them the parallel lines. This is now the transversal, the smaller side of the angle in the middle. 48 and this angle are the alternate interior angle pair. So we have a top part of the angle is 54, the bottom part is 48. When we add them together, we get 102 degrees. And it's not drawn exactly to scale, but that happens sometimes in geometry. All right, 102-degree angle there for angle 1. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, going to do the same type of thing here. Now, it's not always going to be that easy. It's not always going to be an alternate interior angle, which then you add together to get what you need. So let's look and see how this one works and how it's a little bit different. Okay, so I'm going to draw a third, maybe. Okay, got a parallel line there. Now, in this case, we can find the top of angle 2 just like we did before. And I do know that that 59-degree angle is going to be an alternate interior with the top of this one, which these are both 59. The bottom part of angle 2, though, is a little different. It's not going to be, that's not equal to 131, this little angle right here, okay? So we have to recognize this angle pair. And these are same side interior angles, all right? These are same side interior angles. So we know they're going to be supplementary. So what we can do is we take 180 minus 131 and get 49, okay? Now, when we add these together, we get 180. You could do that, or if you want to, let's say, use the fact that this angle here next to 131 is a linear pair. So we got to figure out 131 plus what equals 180. Well, it would also be 49. And now we have alternate interior angles, which we could show to be equal. Okay. To get angle 2, though, we got to add 59 and 49. Looks like we get 108 for our angle measure. All right. Here's one where we can use two same side interior angles. So there's our third parallel line. We've got 111. Let's see, what angle would make that supplementary with 111? I think it's 69 degrees. And then the angle that would be supplementary with 100 would be 80. So we add 69 and 80. That's 149. Okay. All right, last one. This one is the most difficult one. So here we've got a couple different turns within our diagram. Now the nice thing is they do give us some angle measures here. All right, they give us some angle measures. So that does help us out a bit. But what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to work our way up and down to get to this angle 4. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a parallel line at each of these turns. Let's make this orange. So there's one parallel line. Two. All right. Now, the bottom part of angle 4 is pretty straightforward. That's just going to be the supplementary angle that goes with 115, all right, which is going to be 65 degrees. So we got the bottom part. It's the top part of 4 that's going to take a little bit of extra work here. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and take this 30-degree angle. I know that the alternate interior part of 30 goes right down here. Okay, so the top part of this 90-degree angle is 30. What's that make the bottom part? Well, 90 minus 30 is 60. And now I can use these two middle lines that are parallel, and I've got an angle here that's 60. The alternate interior counterpart is right here, makes that 60. And now we have two angles that make up angle 4, 60 degrees and 65 degrees. Okay. All right. That covers our Crook problems. You guys are going to have some more examples of these to do on your own, as well as a couple that involve some variables. So I want you to try your best. Good luck on them. If you do have any questions, please let me know.